Welcome to JH. I recently looked into this handheld massager, which initially seems quite impressive. It is marketed as a deep tissue solution that eliminates long-term muscle tightness, essentially offering a professional spa experience at home. The device features rotating massage nodes, integrated heat, and Lumipulse technology designed to penetrate deep into the muscle layers. While it sounds advanced, I found some reasons to be cautious. When checking Trustpilot for authentic user feedback, there were 0 reviews available. This contrasts sharply with their official website, which boasts a 4.8-star rating from over 1,000 customers. Despite the lack of external reviews, the combination of heat and rotating nodes could provide genuine relief for tight necks, shoulders, backs, or legs caused by work or exercise. However, some users find the unit slightly heavy for extended use. While it isn't a miracle cure, it can offer significant comfort. If you decide to purchase one, ensure you use a secure payment method like PayPal or a protected credit card. It is a solid option for home massage, provided you have realistic expectations.